take number 3, shall we? Actually, I think it might be take number 4. Okay, anyway, whichever it is. A while back, I made this. This is a Skeen Do, and it's okay. I was pretty happy with it when I made it, and I still am. It's a little clunky. It's a little bulky, but again, that's okay. This is one of those things that I'm learning as I go. But to get to the actual point of what I'm doing is, again, there's a knife in here. And there's a lot of places that don't particularly care for it when you bring a knife there anymore. So with that in mind, I'm going to make what a lot of people consider to be, at least the kilt wearing community, considers to be an appropriate substitute. And what I did was I ran down to one of our local antique stores and I found this. And it's just a bottle opener, and the brand on there is, looks like it's Ernst, at least I think that's what it says, but I also found this perfectly sized little piece of walnut in my scrap pile. Not that I make much that isn't out of a scrap, but anyway, the plan is to make, well, a nice looking bottle opener that I can tuck into my sock in place of a knife. So anyway, I've got the piece of, got this little piece of walnut. I've also got this piece of canary wood that I sawn down earlier. So this walnut, well, the canary wood's not quite a 1/4 inch thick. The walnut is even a little bit thinner. So I'm looking at ending up with something about just over or just around a 1/2 inch thick. So anyway, with that, yeah, with that, I think it's time to get started. So here we go.